after you eat it? Your body's digestive system is like a clever food factory, working around the clock. It transforms what you eat into energy, fueling everything you do, from running and playing to thinking and breathing. But it does more than just provide energy. It extracts nutrients, the tiny building blocks that help you grow, heal, and stay healthy. Your digestive system acts like a detective, searching your food for these nutrients and sending them where they're needed most. It also separates out the waste, packaging and removing what your body doesn't need to keep you feeling your best. If waste stayed inside too long, you'd feel unwell. So this cleanup is just as important as getting nutrients. Think of your digestive system as a processing plant. It takes in raw materials, extracts the good stuff, and disposes of leftovers. When digestion works well, you feel energetic and comfortable. But sometimes things go wrong, like tummy aches or bloating. Understanding how your digestive system works can help you make better food choices and avoid discomfort. Some foods make you feel great, while others might not agree with you. This guide will take you on a simple tour of your own personal food machine. We'll explore how it works and what you can do to keep it running smoothly. Your digestive system is always working even when you're not thinking about it. It's essential for your health and well-being. By learning about digestion, you can take better care of your body. Good digestion means more energy and fewer problems. Let's dive in and discover the secrets of your amazing digestive system. Ready to see what happens after your next bite? Let's get started. Digestion begins the moment you take a bite. Your mouth is the starting gate. Teeth break food into smaller pieces, and saliva softens it while enzymes start breaking it down. Chewing well makes the rest of digestion easier. When you swallow, food travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube connecting your throat to your stomach. Muscles in the esophagus push food down in a wave-like motion called peristalsis. At the end, a muscular ring opens to let food into your stomach, then closes to keep it there. The stomach, a strong, stretchy bag, acts like a blender, churning food and mixing it with powerful acid and enzymes. The acid kills germs and helps break down food further. Enzymes continue the process, turning your meal into a thick, soupy liquid called chyme. This process takes a few hours depending on what you've eaten. The stomach releases chyme slowly, a little at a time, into the small intestine. This slow release prevents the small intestine from being overwhelmed. Each step is carefully timed to make sure your body gets the most out of your food. The journey from mouth to stomach is fast, but the real magic happens next. Your digestive system is designed for efficiency, breaking down, mixing, and moving food along. Every bite you take sets this process in motion. The stomach's job is to prepare food for the next stage, nutrient absorption. Once the food is ready, it moves on to the small intestine. The digestive journey is just getting started. Next stop, where your body absorbs all the good stuff. Let's follow the food to the small intestine. After the stomach, food enters the small intestine, a long, narrow tube about 6 meters long. Here, most digestion and nutrient absorption happens. The small intestine's walls are covered in millions of tiny villi and microvilli, creating a huge surface area to soak up nutrients. As food moves through, these villi grab vitamins, minerals, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, passing them into your blood. Your blood then delivers these nutrients to every cell in your body. What's left, mostly water, fiber, and waste, moves into the large intestine. The large intestine, wider but shorter, absorbs water from the waste, preventing dehydration. As water is removed, the waste becomes more solid, forming stool. Trillions of helpful gut bacteria in the large intestine break down leftover bits and produce some vitamins. Finally, the stool moves to the rectum, where it's stored until you're ready to go to the toilet. The muscles then push the waste out through the anus. This is the final step in your digestive journey. Your intestines are the ultimate nutrient extractors and recyclers. They keep your body nourished and your system clean. That's how your body gets the most from every meal. Your digestive system has hidden helpers, the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. These organs don't touch food directly, but they're essential for digestion. The liver produces bile, a greenish fluid that breaks down fats, making them easier to digest. Bile acts like dish soap, turning big blobs of fat into tiny droplets. The gallbladder stores extra bile, releasing it into the small intestine when you eat fatty foods. Without bile, your body couldn't absorb important fats and vitamins. The pancreas sits behind your stomach and has two main jobs, controlling blood sugar and making digestive juices. Its juices are packed with enzymes that break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. When food enters the small intestine, the pancreas releases these enzymes to finish the job. The liver, gallbladder, and pancreas work together to make sure your body gets every bit of nutrition from your food. They're the behind-the-scenes team that keeps digestion running smoothly. Without them, digestion would be incomplete. These organs are always ready to help, especially when you eat a big or rich meal. Their teamwork ensures you get energy, vitamins, and building blocks for your body. Next time you eat, remember the hidden helpers working for you. They're vital for a healthy digestive system. Every meal is a team effort. Your body's helpers are always on call. That's the secret to efficient digestion. Let's follow a cheese sandwich on its journey. It starts in your mouth, chewed, moistened by saliva, and broken down by enzymes. Swallowed, it travels down the esophagus to the stomach, where acid and enzymes turn it into chyme. The stomach churns for a few hours, then slowly releases the chyme into the small intestine. Here, the pancreas adds enzymes, and the gallbladder releases bile to break down fats. The small intestine's villi absorb nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into your bloodstream. Leftover fiber, water, and waste move to the large intestine, where water is absorbed and gut bacteria help break down what's left. Solid waste is stored in the rectum until it's time to go. The whole process, from first bite to final exit, can take 1 to 3 days. Every step is designed to get the most from your food. Your body is a master at turning meals into energy and building blocks. Digestion is a complex automatic process. All you have to do is eat. Your body does the rest. That's the full journey of your food. Sometimes digestion doesn't go as planned. Indigestion is common, often caused by eating too fast, too much, or foods that are fatty or spicy. Symptoms include feeling full bloated or a burning sensation. Eating slowly and avoiding trigger foods can help. Heartburn or acid reflux happens when stomach acid moves up into the esophagus, causing chest pain. It's often triggered by certain foods or lying down after eating. Smaller meals and waiting before bed can prevent it. Constipation means hard, dry stools and infrequent trips to the toilet, usually from not enough water or fiber. Eating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains plus staying active can help. Diarrhea is the opposite, loose, watery stools, often from infections or food poisoning. Rest and fluids are key to recovery. Most digestive troubles are short-lived, but if problems persist, see a doctor. Your digestive system usually bounces back quickly. Listen to your body and make changes as needed. Good habits keep your gut happy. Want a healthy digestive system? Start with simple habits. Eat a balanced diet rich in fiber, fruits, vegetables, beans, nuts, and whole grains. Fiber keeps things moving and prevents constipation. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help break down food and absorb nutrients. Stay active. Regular movement helps your intestines work better. Even a daily walk can make a difference. Manage stress, as it can upset your digestion. Eat slowly, chew well, and notice how foods make you feel. Limit sugary drinks and processed foods. If something often makes you uncomfortable, try eating less of it. Listen to your body's signals. If you have ongoing digestive issues, talk to a doctor. Small changes can make a big difference. Take care of your gut and it will take care of you.